Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system, CMS, which allows users to build dynamic websites and blogs. What is content management system? The Content Management System, CMS, is a software that stores all the data such as text, photos, music, documents, etc., and is made available on your website. It helps in editing, publishing, and modifying the content of the website. User management. It allows managing the user information such as changing the role of the users to subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator, creating or deleting the user, changes the password and user information. The main role of the user manager is authentication. Media management. It is the tool for managing the media files and folder, in which you can easily upload, organize and manage the media files on your website. Theme system. It allows modifying the site view and functionality. It includes images, style sheets, template files, and custom pages. Search engine optimization. It provides several search engine optimization (SEO) tools that make on-site SEO simple. Multilingual. It allows translating the entire content into the language preferred by the user. System requirements for WordPress. Database MySQL 5.0 Plus. Web server. WAM, Windows. LAMP, Linux. XAMPP, multi-platform. MAP, Macintosh. Operating system. Cross-platform. Browser support. IE, Internet Explorer 8 Plus, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Opera. PHP compatibility. PHP 5.2 Plus. WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the first screen that will be seen when you log into the administration area of your blog, which will display the overview of the website. It is a collection of gadgets that provide information and provide an overview of what's happening with your blog. Dashboard menu. The WordPress dashboard provides a navigation menu that contains sub-menu options such as posts, media library, pages, comments, appearance options, plugins, users, tools, and settings on the left side. Screen options. The dashboard contains different types of widgets, which can be shown or hidden on some screens. It contains checkboxes to show or hide screen options and also allows us to customize sections on the admin screen. Welcome. It includes the Customize Your Site button, which allows customizing your WordPress theme. The center column provides some of the useful links such as creating a blog post, creating a page, and viewing the front end of your website. The last column contains links to widgets, menus, settings related to comments, and also a link to the first steps with WordPress page in the WordPress Codex. Quick Draft. The Quick Draft is a mini post editor which allows writing, saving, and publishing a post from the admin dashboard. It includes the title for the draft, some notes about the draft, and save it as a draft. WordPress News. The WordPress News widget displays the latest news, such as the latest software version, updates, alerts, news regarding the software, etc. from the official WordPress blog. Activity. The activity widget includes the latest comments on your blog, recent posts, and recently published posts. It allows you to approve, disapprove, reply, edit, or delete a comment. It also allows you to move a comment to spam. At a glance, this section gives an overview of your blog's posts, the number of published posts and pages, and a number of comments. When you click on these links, you will be taken to the respective screen. It displays the current version of running WordPress along with the currently running theme on the site. WordPress settings. There are some settings in it. General setting, writing setting, reading setting, discussion setting, media setting, permalink setting, plugin setting. WordPress general setting. We will study about general settings in WordPress. WordPress general setting is used to set the basic configuration settings for your site. In the setting administration screen, it is a default setting screen. Following are the steps to access the general settings. Step 1. Click on the settings, go to the general option in WordPress. Step 2. The general setting page is displayed. Following are the details of the fields on the general settings page. Site title. It displays the name of the site in the template header. Tagline. Displays a short sentence about your site. WordPress address, URL. It is the URL of the WordPress directory where all core application files are present. Site address, URL. Enter the site URL which you want your site to display on the browser. Email address. Enter your email address which helps to recover your password or any update. Membership. Anyone can register an account on your site after you check this checkbox. New user default role. The default role is set for the newly registered user or members. Time zone. Sets the time zone based on the particular city. Date format. Sets the date format as you need to display on the site. Time format. Sets the time format as you need to display on the site. Week starts on. Select the weekday which you prefer to start for the WordPress calendar. By default, it is set as Monday. Site language. Sets the language for the WordPress dashboard. Step 3. After filling in all the information about general settings, click on the Save Changes button. It saves all your general setting information. If you want to know more details about WordPress, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. first 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,